Hey YouTube, welcome to another vlog by me, KissedByKen. Okay, so right off the bat, I just want to let y'all know that yes, I look weird because my eyebrows are lightened. I don't know if you saw that something was off. Besides me not having makeup on, my eyebrows are lightened because I had put a wig on. So yeah, and I'm about to put the wig on again. So I just wanted to start a little vlog. I didn't want to make, I know a few of you have asked, especially when I was wearing my wig like back to back to back, if I would do a video on how I hide all my hair, but I'm really not great at putting on wigs. I kind of just try to make it look good and then that's it. And I just feel like there's so many people here on YouTube that are really good at it. I'm gonna put the camera down. So what I was saying is, I feel like there's so many people on YouTube that actually do this whole wig process like so much better than I can, because I'm like beginner slash, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just trying my very best. But somebody who makes it look easy to me, and I love watching when she does like any kind of wig installations, is Arnell Armand. I'm gonna be doing the wig cap method, and you guys can just watch me do it. I'm not going to, again, detail this into any specific thing because, as I said, I'm not great. It might be one of those days where it just doesn't work at all, like, and you might not see this if that happens. But if it ends up working as it did last time, because I've already put on this wig, so it's already like to my liking and everything, then you guys will see how I usually do my wigs. So I don't braid my hair because my hair is, I don't know how to cornrow at all. Like, I can do probably a little bit, but I cannot, I can't do it. So I just put my hair, this is all I'm gonna say, by the way, because a lot of you are always surprised at how I fit all my hair under a wig. I just put it in a really like low, like I comb it back really well, and I do a braid, and then I kind of just tuck the braid in, and then I put my cap on, and that's it. And it usually works. So that's what I do for my hair. I don't put it in braids. Unless I'm getting it professionally installed, then yes, I've gotten braids for wigs. I've only got my wigs put on professionally installed twice ever. Besides that, it's just been all me. So enjoy the process. I'm going to be watching Red Table Talk episodes while I do this because that's what I do. I'm just smiling because I feel like this wig process always looks so funny. Like right now I feel like I look like It the Clown. I know it's orange hair, it's not red, but I don't know. It's just always I don't know, the process of it. I feel like I look really funny. So I use Got To Be Glue, which is just like gel, because I do not keep my wig on I do not sleep in it. It gives me a headache. Like right now my head is already hurting, so I can't wait to take this off. And it's not even on yet. Kudos to y'all who can keep wigs on for a while. Do you just get used to it? Because for me, I want to sleep well. I just choose comfort. So when I've gotten them professionally installed, it was always a struggle. I'm like, all right, I'm ready to take it off. It looks cute. I want to keep it on, but it's just uncomfortable. Okay, you guys, so this is how my wig came out. Obviously I have it pinned back because I'm about to do my makeup. I feel like it came out better the first time I installed it. I'm not sure why, but also this time I had a hard time with my sideburns, even though I shaved my sideburns so that I wouldn't have a hard time. But as you can see, it shows like on both sides. When I have the hair down, you can't really see it, so I'm not too caught up on it. But this is always a part where I have the most trouble with my sideburns. My sideburns are really usually long, but I did like shave them off to make this process easier, and yet this time seemed harder than last time. So I don't know. I just know I need a lot of practice when it comes to wigs. Also, this is not a full lace wig. It's just lace right in the front, and then the rest is like regular. So it's a little bit easier than regular lace wigs anyway. So anyway, before I keep on chatting, I'm gonna show the process of now doing my makeup. Hi guys, so hold on. It is many hours later. I don't even remember the time that I last got in touch with you guys, but I took some photos, I shot some content for you guys, and then I went over to my mom's house, and now I am back home. So you guys get to see me take off my makeup and take off this wig, because no way I'm sleeping with this wig. I literally just get a headache every time. Maybe I don't have the right cap size, but you guys, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just about to take all of this off and relax, so. What's up, YouTube vlog? So I think it's been like 2 days since I've vlogged. I forgot where I left off on the last vlog. I don't remember at all. I think I was taking off my wig. Guess what? It's back on. I'm really feeling this orange wig, as you guys can see if you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everything. I've been wearing this wig. Allow me to close my window real quick, BRB. Anyway, yeah, I've been wearing the heck out of this wig. I think I'm gonna keep it, ouch. I think I'm gonna keep using it. I really like it. I think it's dope. I think it suits me really well. What do you guys think? How do you guys like it? I think orange actually suits my skin tone and everything really nicely. But I'm gonna get back to my curls soon because I've been neglecting them. Speaking of which, I'm actually gonna take this wig off right now. And before I do that, I quickly want to mention this new brand that I've been trying and I actually really love, because you guys know that I love organic products, but these products are super dope because you can use them for multiple things. So I'm gonna just quickly show you some of the products. This is probably one of my favorite products from them, and the brand is called World Cat. It's basically called World, but their at name and everything is world.ca, and this is their clean product, and it is a multi-purpose. It is for hair plus skin cleanser. So it felt really nice when I last used this in the shower because I was able to cleanse my hair and also cleanse my skin. And sometimes when I use like regular shampoos and stuff, it can be really like not bad for your skin or whatever, but I still get really weird about the shampoo and conditioner like touching my skin, like I don't know. So I'm really happy that I have these products because now I don't have to worry about that, and I can kind of just let my hair down while I'm just, you know, cleansing my entire body. They also sent me their Protect, and this is a hair and skin moisturizer. And again, that's how clean these products are. You can use them for multiple things. This is their holding spray. I used all of these on my curls as recently, and I like the way it worked for my hair. This one is another one of my favorites. It is their repair product, and it is a deep conditioner for your hair. Also, you can use this as a moisturizer for your skin. This is a texturizing salt spray. This is Ocean. And then I have these two balms, and it's again multi-purpose. So that's how you know that they're super duper clean, because typically you can't do that with a lot of products. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned on my channel, but I love using the Dr. Bronner's line, their peppermint soap, and I use that for everything, and I love products like that. So I'm glad that I now have a new line to try, and I love these World products. So I have Buzz, which is a multi-purpose hair and body polish, and I also have their Believe, which is a multi-purpose hair and skin balm. So check them out. I'll put their links in the description box below, and check them out because listen, it's dope, okay? It's really dope. So let me know what you guys think about like organic products and stuff. Like, let me know what are your thoughts on it. Like, do you like them? Do you use them? I think it's always dope to find products that are really clean for your body, because it's not only about what you're putting into your body, it's about what you're putting on your skin, like perfumes, lotions, and stuff like that. Unfortunately, all this makeup and everything, all of these things have so much toxins, and all of these things actually affect your hormones. And it's such a hard thing to try to transition to using only clean everything. Yeah, it is. But when you find products like these and, you know, like really clean products, then it's worth it. Anyways, I'm about to take off my makeup and take off this wig. I actually didn't even put like, how do you call it? I didn't melt my bald cap under this. I just put it on, and yeah, as you guys can see, I did not really care about how I put the wig on today, because I was just like, look, I'm only keeping it on for a few hours, just shooting some quick content, and it is what it is. But yeah, it was just one of those days that actually I'm gonna take these nails off. I have them on with the sticker thing, so I can take I just pull them right off. I know you can soak them and put them off, take them off the easy way, but I just put them right off. So that's what I'm about to do. Something so satisfying about taking off your nails, yes. So I'm not sure when this vlog is gonna go up, but I'm shooting to have it done this week, like when you're watching this. So it is Monday the 8th. You guys, what is going on with this whole Astrofest thing is absolutely crazy. I cannot believe that that's happened. I'm really shocked, and I don't think I've ever heard of such a thing. I've heard of people, like I've heard of tragic situations at concerts, obviously, but I mean like that, in that manner. Like at first I was just really confused at what's going on, and I think they're still investigating everything, obviously, but just rest in peace to those that lost their lives. And it was like really young people, and it's so devastating when it's something that, like, you know, people are going to be happy and kind of like escape, you know, like you don't want to, you know, you just want to have fun. You don't want to think about your problems, think about just how the world is or anything like that. And especially after having such a horrible year last year, a very challenging year last year, everybody just wants to get back to some sort of normalcy, and then to hear this tragic event is just really, really sad. So I hope they get to the bottom of what really caused all of this. I don't like the way it was handled. I don't think anybody does, but I'm not gonna badmouth anybody or anything. That's all I'm gonna say about that situation. It's just really morbid. Yesterday I had to take some time off of TikTok because my whole For You page was about the situation, and it was creeping me out because they were saying so many things, and I'm like, look, this is creepy. I can't, yeah. But yeah, just remember to take those breaks off social media, because yeah, it takes a toll. Yesterday I was getting really anxious with it, and I'm like, okay, it's time for me to step away. So I am actually going to take off this wig and take off my makeup, but I realized that is what I did earlier in this vlog. I didn't realize, I actually knew, and then I just thought about it, and I don't want to refilm that for you guys in the same vlog. I feel like that's just annoying. For me, anyway. I just don't think that it's really interesting. So I'm actually gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what some days are like for me when it comes to like getting content done. I've been really, really productive on most days, which is great. Yeah, my therapist actually advised me to not allow depression to win. So being productive is a good thing, and I'm really, really happy that I'm able to be way more productive than I was in the past few months, you guys. Like, I went weeks without getting anything done, and so I'm really happy to get back into consistency in some ways. So anyways, thank you guys for supporting me as always. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!